Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to weld a Miata diff. Start by removing the axle shafts and draining the gear oil, then clean the housing thoroughly. Set the car on sturdy stands and mark the spider gear's positions to reassemble later. Use a quality plug weld pattern and tack each gear carrier evenly. Keep a steady bead, avoid overheating, and recheck alignment before final welding for reliable traction. Prepare the workspace with good ventilation and a fire extinguisher within reach, and wear proper PPE including gloves and a welding helmet. Clean the diff gear teeth, remove pinions, and mark orientation to maintain timing. Practice your weld bead on scrap metal of similar thickness before moving to the carrier. Use medium amperage and short bursts to avoid warping, and let parts cool slowly between passes to preserve temper and alignment. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. I also want to recommend a book that can change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, which pairs well with saving for car upgrades. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it as a handy companion to build funds for performance parts. Now let's get back to the video. Start with short tack welds to hold the carrier and ensure the spider gear assembly cannot shift during welding. Run multiple short beads around the circumference, alternating sides to distribute heat evenly. Grind smooth between passes if necessary, but avoid deep digs near stress points. Finish with a continuous bead across each seam, then inspect for gaps, porosity, and adequate penetration. Reassemble with new seals and fresh gear oil, rated for limited slip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.